Welcome to our channel. We are Technic Force and we help grow your business online. Please hit the subscribe button to get more updates. The new ChatGPT Operator update is absolutely insane. Here's why. So OpenAI have just gone ahead and released their first AI agent, and this is truly a game-changing product as it sets the benchmark for what will be a glorious future of many AI agents doing various tasks for us in the background while we get on with real productive work. In this video, I'm going to go over some of the top use cases I've seen on Twitter of people who got early access to ChatGPT Operator, so you guys can understand what it is and the capabilities that it actually has, because this is absolutely crazy. Let's get started. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Twitter or X.com. So this is Rowan Chung. Go ahead and follow him on X. He's got an amazing account, covers all the AI news, but I really like this thread he broke down. So it looks like he got early access to ChatGPT Operator. I'm just going to read off this tweet and go over to these things. It's OpenAI's new AI agent that autonomously takes action across the web on your behalf. So here's the 9 most impressive use cases he's tried. Number 1, ordering dinner ingredients based on a picture and the recipes. So no longer can you just ask ChatGPT for a recipe and it gives you a list. You could then ask it to shop for the actual ingredients and buy it. That's the power of Operator in these AI agents. So it looks like what it's doing is it's filling up a cart. He asked it to fill up a cart with these ingredients. So what it does is it opens a new browser here that's actually deployed on the cloud. So it's not like operating in your Google Chrome, and it's actually looking up Walmart, all these different ingredients. And as you can see, it's searching through the website and it's actually clicking on all of the ingredients you need and adding it to the cart. It's actually adding these to the cart here. And then let's scroll. It's going to do that for all the ingredients. And now we have a full cart, $40.60 of every single ingredient that was on that list that ChatGPT actually created. There's the first use case. That is awesome. No longer do you need to search for your own groceries. You could use ChatGPT Operator to order it for you. Number 2, planning a weekend trip on hidden gems off Reddit with your budget and interest. Basically, what it's asking is it's asking ChatGPT Operator to plan a weekend trip to Austria based on hidden gems off of Reddit. He explains a starting point, his budget, etc., and that he loves outdoors. What it's going to do now is going to search Reddit, which this is a great point here. So some apps or some websites are blocked by ChatGPT Operator at this point in time. You can't use YouTube, for example, for whatever reason, and same with Reddit. So what it did is it actually identified that it can't use Reddit. And it went to Bing actually, and it's searching here now because it identified that obviously you can search on Reddit, but this is the next best option, is to search on Bing. You can see what it's doing is it's coming up with all of these different hidden gems, doing kind of research here. And now it's actually adding this to a list of all these places that it should travel to based on his specifications for travel. So that's a pretty interesting one. Obviously, it was just searching the internet there. Number 3, crypto investment research based on tokens that are actually worth looking into. It looks like ChatGPT Operator got hit with the Are You Human CAPTCHA and then pinged him to control to confirm it. So this is something to mention. So ChatGPT Operator, there's some kind of hands-on feature where if it hits a roadblock, you could actually take over whatever it is that it is doing and the task is performing. So you can see it's going to the Operator browser, is actually searching up for new meme tokens. And right here, you run into the CAPTCHA and it's prompting him that he needs to take control so he could then go ahead and do the CAPTCHA himself. And again, it's just providing a list of all these different tools here or all these different AI tokens, which is pretty cool. Number 4, booking a one-way flight to Zurich to Vienna using the booking integration. So let's take a look at this workflow here. Looks like it goes to booking.com. It searches that in the web browser. It's actually looking up flights from Zurich to Vienna, and it's selecting the date that it actually provided ChatGPT with. Basically, what it did here is it mapped out all of the different options. So you can see the Swiss Airlines is a direct flight, but it is $424. It says the departure time, the arrival time, and the total duration. Air Serbia, it's $145, but it's 10 hours and 30 minutes. So it breaks all this down. ChatGPT asks, would you like to proceed with booking any of these flights? And then he responds and says, yes, book the third flight. and is actually going to go through, select this trip, and then try to book it for him. So it looks like he run into some issues where it didn't necessarily pay. You obviously need to input your own credit card information. So then you could just take over and then input the information yourself, and it will book the trip automatically. But that's really cool. So I'm not going to go over any more of these use cases that Rowan actually found, but basically, he said he was very impressed by the research preview of Operator. And he says right here, I love that I could do tasks for me as I do other work and simply ping me when it needs me to take over. So that is something that we'll probably run into. It probably can't handle all these complex tasks at the point in time. This is in preview mode right now, but it will ping you when you need to take over. So it could handle a lot of the background work that you didn't necessarily have to do. But when it needs you to do something, all you need to do is just take over and then hand it back off to ChatGPT Operator. So this is pretty awesome. The potential is huge, and it's an incredibly exciting time to be following AI developments. This is just the beginning. Thank you for watching. Introducing PeopleBots. PeopleBots is your entire online sales, support, and coaching team. PeopleBots will learn your business and sell, support, and train for you. It can chat, it can even speak to your prospects. It can work 24/7 with no breaks and help you grow your business and get you happier customers. PeopleBots is the advanced AI website chat that your business needs today. It can be anyone you want it to be. It can learn and remember everything. Just give it instruction manuals, your knowledge base, or write a little document that tells everything PeopleBots need to know. PeopleBots help you sell, support, coach, speak. It can even work with human teammates. It will help you get leads, and PeopleBots learn continuously. PeopleBots can spark off the conversation by sending your customer a message. PeopleBots can integrate perfectly with your website's design. It can speak every language. It can also keep records of all chats. Like I told you earlier, you can customize PeopleBots' knowledge and personality, but that's not all. You can create many versions. You can create multiple bots, each with a different expertise and information to integrate on different websites or web pages. It has ready-made bots for you to use. No need to plug in your AI or bring in your API keys. Integrate PeopleBots in any web page in less than 2 minutes. And a lot more. So what are you waiting for? Get PeopleBots now. Just go to getpeoplebots.in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and ring that notification bell. And if you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.